What's up, team, baby? Oh my gosh, you guys, think I had too much matcha today. But as you can tell from the Z title, I am making some more matcha. Like I need it, but I don't need it. Have you guys ever been to Starbucks or the Coffee Bean? Yes. Okay, I figured. Well, stop wasting $5, $6 on a drink and do it yourself. I'm telling y'all. I'm teaching y'all how so many ways how to save money and make things healthier. So listen up. Listen up. Today we're making a matcha frappuccino. The healthy way, the vegan way, and the save your money way. So I'm using almond milk, of course. And then I'm using some vanilla matcha. I decided to do my vanilla since it's I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know why I decided, but I just decided to do vanilla matcha instead of the regular. Okay. And then stevia. Always have stevia on deck. 0-calorie sweetener. Another waist slimming tip for you. And then you know when you go to a Starbucks or Coffee Bean and you order a Frappuccino, they add in a bunch of powders and crap. Well, I'm using some vegan plant-based protein as my powder. And I'm just going to use a little bit because it doesn't need too much. And then we will also need some pure vanilla. And then what else am I going to put in there? Ice, of course, and some water. And I think that's it. So let me show you what to do. It's very simple, it's very easy, and this will keep you focused. Can you tell? This will keep you energized. Can you tell? Okay, so my tea babies, we are going to first add in some matcha. Let me get okay, now I am going to only just do like half a serving because you guys really, I can't be having too much more because this is just me here, so I'm only going to drink another half a serving. Yeah, I need to get stuff done and not be flying off the walls. So you will add in a scoop of pure matcha, and then you will add in 2 packets of stevia. If you don't like it that sweet, that's fine, just add in 1 packet of stevia. And then we are going to fill up our cup with let's do just, like I said, usually you would fill it up with milk like all the way for the Frappuccino, but like I said, I'm only doing half a serving because I don't need too much more. So then you'll do a little bit of water as well. So let's do half leche, half agua. And then originally, like I said, you put in a full scoop, but since I'm doing half, we're gonna only put in a little bit of protein. And then we're gonna do a splash of vanilla extract. This, you're probably like, why are you putting vanilla inside of a drink? You're not baking, baby girl. Well, the actual vanilla gives it a really good flavor, for your information, and it's just like a really good touch. So just make sure you don't do too much. Like, you just really have to focus here. Okay. So we got a splash of vanilla, and then let me go get some ice, baby. Oh my gosh, honey. R.I.P. to my honey. Okay, you guys, and then all you have to do here is blend it. Oh, you can add in some cinnamon if you like too. That's really good, but I think I'm gonna keep it cool right now and blend this and show you what happened. Okay, now look at this Frappuccino. Like I said, the more powder you add, the more you're gonna get that like that Frappuccino consistency. And I need to stir down my matcha down here because sometimes that happens. So the more powder you add, then the more of like that consistency you'll get. But this is just half a serving. Oh my god, it's so perfect. Let me blend it one more quick time. Yes, I have. Can I get a small matcha frappuccino, please, from Tea Baby's Kitchen? Oh, sure thing. Here you go. Coming right up. Oh my god. This is what I've been not needing because I already have one, but this is, oh my gosh. You guys, this literally tastes like just like freaking matcha frappuccino, but 10 times better because it's healthier and made with joy and love. But it's so good. It's crazy to me how the things you can experiment and do yourself instead of going somewhere and having them make it for you, and you can DIY, do it yourself. So you guys, I hope you give this a try. And if you don't have matcha, oh my god, there's a fly. If you don't have matcha, I'll leave the link where I get my matcha. I see you guys comment on my videos when I make this. Hey, where'd you get your matcha from? Hey, I put in the description every single time for you guys. So if you're new, just know that it's always in the description. If I make a recipe, it's always in the description. I'll even put this one in the description so you have it and we can be matcha'd out together. I call it my Japanese crack. And this gets me through the day. Especially, it's good. I like to do it like halfway through the day, like maybe, or like mid-morning after the gym. It's so good. Oh my god. I should run up in Starbucks with this and tell them to add it to their menu. But yeah, super simple ingredients, and then I'll leave the matcha down below, so if you want to make this matcha frappuccino and get your matcha, then you can do so. But yeah, that's it. I just wanted to really show you guys how to get energized and make a matcha, oh my god, I can't even talk anymore, a matcha frappuccino and save your money. Like, those things are really like $6 at the store. So if you buy everything in bulk, you can make plenty of them. Yeah, and that's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I love you all.